Oh, yeah, fish on. My first throw in. Oh, did it get off? Bugger.
Got off?
Yeah. That would have been good.
Fish on.
Oh, you're on. You got mine.
Oh, this one could be bigger. Wow.
Got off? Oh no, it's on. First whiting.
Hey, big ones.
Yeah, I hope so. There's always so many little ones we get.
Yeah. There's nothing there.
Nah, look, I'm just constantly getting weed. It's been a bit annoying.
Nothing big enough to even take the bait.
Nah. Oh yeah? I was just getting bites too. I was hoping I was going to be on.
Bigger bite this one.
Okay. Bigger whitey?
This is pretty good. It's getting wider. Oh, there's a
You're
whiting.
probably dragging it through the weed. Oh yeah?
That's a better one.
Yeah. Not bad at all.
Come here.
We want some of those 40cm ones, man. Mm.
Well, that's what's biting at the moment.
Okay.
Two whiting for me.
Yeah. Oh, I hope I don't have a stingray.
Flounder. Wow, that's a cool one.
That was a different bite. I thought I had a stingray.
Wow, look at that.
My turn for a nice fish.
That's a PB.
It is, for sure. Yeah, got a nice one. Look at that, man.
That's a big flounder.
That's like what Sarah got at Runaway Bay, hey?
Let's measure it.
Holy crap, I thought I was in for a stingray. How wrong was I?
That's a good size one. Come on, keep still.
Yeah, keep still. He just like wanted to suck on the bottom.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh wow.
That's a good one.
Yummy.
34.
We'll take it home for dinner, eh?
Yeah, that'll be nice. Fry it up in the pan.
Yeah. Yes.
No size limit on that, is there?
No,
That's a good size though.
it is a nice size. And that's outdone you now with, doesn't matter how many fish you catch now, I've just outdone you.
Nearly.
Oh yeah,
I got two.
yeah, that doesn't matter.
Yeah, that's a good size, eh?
Do flounders like stay in packs or they just swim like randomly? So if you catch one, is there normally another one around it, or? Okay, well, success at this spot. Nice fish for me, finally. Don't worry about Cole's little whiting there. Not important. Wait till the next spot.
Hey, no, we're huge.
Yeah, good spot here. Let's move on to another one. Having a fish, Miller. Any bites?
I did with that one.
Yeah.
Wait.
Oh.
Yeah. Any bites, Mila?
Fish on.
Oh, really?
You got one?
Woohoo! That was fast. See if you got a whiting. Oh, he's off.
Oh.
No.
And I'm actually going to catch more fish.
Oh, good.
Daddy.
That's from your little fish dance.
Huh?
Let's see if your fish dance worked.
Good job, good job.
Oh my goodness.
Mom,
Mm,
feel this. I got an angry jack.
whatever. Okay, made our way to the spit. Hopefully we can pick up a few more fish here before we head home. A little bit of a quiet day today. Very calm out here. Bloody sandflies are so annoying. Okay guys, we're going to head home. A little disappointing out here, can't even bring in fish off the seaway. That's pretty sad. We've got the outgoing tide here too and the wood looks beautiful. Thought we'd be able to get a few fish here. But anyway, the highlight of the day was my flounder. Pretty sure it's my PB. I'm going to check with Sarah's one that she got ages ago and see if I've outdone her. Hopefully I have. And it's been an awesome day otherwise. And we will see you in our next fishing adventure, wherever it may be. Thank you guys for liking, watching, subscribing to our channel. Cheers everyone.